The video you are watching right now, I created its XML using Claude AI. Just look at the project. No Alight Motion experience required and zero manual editing. So come on, let me show you how to create this UI XML using Claude AI. Normally, to create animations in Alight Motion, you have to manually set keyframes, timing, and effects. This takes hours, especially when you are a beginner. But I found a shortcut to improve editing by using Claude AI. First, we will open Claude AI, and in the chat box, we will paste a secret prompt. I have added that prompt in description of this video. You can copy it from there. Along with this, we will also upload some Alight Motion XML files. I am using 3 to 4 XML files. You can upload as many as you want. Now click send and wait a little bit until you get the XML compiler ready message. After that, upload your UI image. You can use any UI design image of your own. Once the UI image is uploaded, just type exactly what I am showing on the screen and press send. Then wait for a moment. And look, I have received this UI XML. Now I will download this and upload it into Alight Motion, and let's open it. Claude AI has created the UI, but it is a bit too large and slightly misaligned, so I will adjust it a little bit. And look at that. Just like that, the same professional level animation is ready, which would normally take me 30 to 40 minutes. Imagine if you hired an editor or learned it yourself, how much time and money that would take. With AI, this process is done in just minutes. If you like this trick, please like the video. If you want me to show more AI-powered editing tricks like this, let me know in the comment. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel, because in upcoming videos, we will dive even deeper into AI editing tools